In this video, let me show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not coming. If you're trying to receive the verification code on your WhatsApp and you're not being able to do so, in today's video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can straight away do is toggle on and toggle off the airplane mode. So make sure you toggle on the airplane mode, wait for at least 10 seconds and toggle it off again and try to see if you can now receive the code. If the issue still persists, then what you can try out is try to clear out the app cache. Just tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, but make sure you remove the WhatsApp from the recent app list and try to see if now you can receive the code. If you're still having issues receiving the code, then what you can simply try out is instead of receiving the code on SMS, you will also get an option of calling. So you can receive the code via call as well. So make sure you try that out as well. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, this is likely due to network error or network drops. So in this situation, what you can do is just wait out a few hours before you try to receive the code again. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.